Welcome back tests. In this video I will show you my homemade experimental biogas digester which is sitting right beside me, and I will show you how it works and all about it. I made this biogas digester to experiment with and to conclude how much cow dung we need, cow manure we need to produce enough gas to meet our kitchen requirements. So this is a experimental mini biogas digester, and in future I am planning to build a large about 1.5 cubic meter metal digester with a floating drum type gas storage that will hopefully create enough biogas to fulfill our kitchen needs for cooking. As you can see, this is a plastic drum and its capacity is around 30 liters, and it's hydrogen peroxide. It's used in agriculture. I don't know what is it used for. So this is an empty container lying around, so I made it a biogas digester. So now I will show you how it works. So first of all, this is our inlet where we put our cow manure, 1 part cow manure and 2 parts water, as you can see, and this is all epoxy glued up, and so no gas can escape from this side. Don't criticize me, it's just an experimental, and I will improve it in future when I build my big one about 1500 liters capacity. This is a garden hose and I drilled a hole right here and put my garden hose inside and glued it up. So this bucket is here because when I feed it, equal amount as I feed it, the equal amount of that comes out from this tube, and I lower it from these branches so that it falls down into this bucket. And the celery is a digested material. It can be easily used as a fertilizer, and it's completely digested and it has all the nutrients essential for our plants. So I use it inside my garden. The celery level, the manure level inside this is indicated by how high I place it, and as you can see, the celery is now come out as I dropped it. So when I feed it, I usually drop it like this, and all the manure slurry gets out, and its level is around here, which it maintains because when biogas produces a foam type material, and this clogs up our gas outlet here, so we cannot get any gas. So I just filled it up about this much because any extra slurry will just come out of here, and then I use this bucket to feed my plants as a fertilizer. So now I will show you my storage where biogas is stored. It's a temporary. So our biogas is stored inside this bladder. It's a tractor front tire tube, and it was just useless. I picked it up from a tractor workshop. It was laying around and it cost me nothing because they could not use it in tractors anymore because it has so many punctures that it was unreliable. So they gave it to me, and I checked it and the gas was not leaking, so I used it because this is not a much high pressure. It's some pressure but not much, it does not leak. And I plugged the where needle is placed inside this tube valve, and also I have this which was used to control the level of flow of medicines. So now I will also show the burning of biogas which is stored inside this. I will go inside because the biogas flame is actually very invisible. It's kind of a blue type of flame, so in this daylight I don't think we are able to see it. So now let's go inside and I will show you how it burns. And I will burn it like this, and I will put inside this, and because this is an end metal piece, so it will not melt. we will see you. So now I pick it up slowly and show you. So I bring it inside of my room. It's dark. Hopefully we will see our biogas flame. Show you how it burns. First of all, this is a high pressure hose tube and it's just empty, and there is a metal piece on one side, and I just put it inside here. There is our biogas flame right here. Hopefully you can see this. It's an blue color flame because biogas burns very cleanly. Biogas has around 65% methane and 35% carbon dioxide, and it also has hydrogen sulfide, which is very corrosive. And so I will open it and show you like this. Now I'll push it on the tube, and its flame is very good. Biogas, as you can see, biogas is a very clean burning gas. It does not create a lot of smoke, and only creates carbon dioxide and water vapors after it burns. As you can see, this tiny bladder tube is able to store this much gas. So this is a biogas which is free energy, because otherwise our cow manure is just laying like a mountain, and it just creates a lot of smell, and also it attracts insects. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.